Get ready to be swept away by a stunning tapestry of artistry and culture created by the young minds of South Tangerang, Indonesia. In the heart of South Tangerang, a wave of creativity and education was about to make history. Picture this, an incredible display of students made batik cloth adorned with patterns inspired by nature, flora and fauna, and the rich Indonesian culture. From kindergartens to high school students, the Education Department of South Tangerang left no stone unturned, introducing and educating students about the mesmerizing art of batik making. Each piece of art, a testament to young creativity and the dedication of educators. The display showcased artworks from an impressive 80 different schools. All thanks to the visionary efforts of the government of South Tangerang City, this stunning display now holds a prestigious place in the Asia Book of Records. So join us in celebrating not just a record-breaking art display, but the boundless potential and creativity of South Tangerang's future artists. Stay tuned for more incredible records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.